Dr. Arlie Macasiano Imperio. Ngayon, gusto ko po ipaliwanag bakit ako mismo umiinom ng Imorigen. Okay? So number one, Imorigen is a combination of two keywords, immunity and regeneration. So yun ang two benefits. Yung immune system lalakas, yung regeneration of the cell of the body. Kaya nga nakalagay dito protective drink, that is the immune system. O ngayon, ito po ay isang food supplement. Hindi ito medicine or drug. Kaya nga no approved therapeutic claim, ibig sabihin hindi siya drug. Yan, take note, nakasulat dito, Imorigen is composed of nucleotides. Ang nucleotides, yan yung component ng DNA. So take note, halal certified, pwede sa ating mga kababayan na Muslim. Clinically tested, nakikita niyo yung logo, clinically tested sa Europe at dito sa Pilipinas. And then patented 1983 in Czech Republic. Ibig sabihin matagal na, 1983, subok na. 1983 is more than 30 years ago. Okay? Then tingnan niyo po, zero calorie. Matamis siya pero zero calorie, kaya pwede sa mga nagko-control na sugar level nila. Ang laman nito, 20 effervescent tablets. You take one tablet once a day, that's 20 days. Kaya kumuha kayo ng dalawa nito, that's good for 40 days. Okay? At maraming flavor. One of them is cola flavor. O ano pa ba? Imported exclusively by Forever Healthy Products. The manufacturer is Unirigen. Ayan, no? O ito yung FDA registration number sa Pilipinas. Okay? O, yan. So, why should I take this every day? Ang hinahabol ko po, nucleotides. Kasi ang nucleotides, yan ang component, building block ng DNA. At ang DNA, hawak na niya lahat sa katawan natin. So, the formula is to have a healthy lifestyle and then take functional food like nucleotide supplementation in the form of Imorigen. Take this first thing in the morning. You can take it once a day. If you feel you need more, you take it twice a day. Sa experience ko, lalo kung mag-duty ako, magpupuyat ako. Bago ako mag-duty sa gabi, inom ako ng isang tableta. Then magdamag kaming gising. Pagkatapos ng from duty, inumila ako ng isa. Turo na konti, bawi ka agad, naka-recover ka agad yung body. So I would like you to prove it yourself. Yung sinasabing 10-day energy challenge. You take 2 tablets a day, that's good for 10 days. Yung energy mapuprove mo. Magugulat ka, lalo na kung call center ka, nagpupuyat ka, security guard ka, nag-aaral ka, and so forth. Subukan mo yung energy, kasi yung energy, kaya mo i-prove. Mararamdaman mo eh. Kaya yan ang mga dahilan kung bakit ako po ay umiinom ng Imorigen. And always remember that prevention is better than cure.
Ang galing.